I believe that everyone deserves the right to great eye care. So I've spent nearly 10 years as an eye specialist, and during that time, I've seen clinics get busier. I've seen the demands go higher and higher, and really we've much less time with patients than what we've ever had before. Now, that's thanks in part to some great therapeutics, and thank you, Bayer. You know, these technologies and these drugs that really have saved people's sight, and that is such a fantastic thing to be able to offer patients. But what we're also condemning these patients to is many, many frequent trips to hospital for many years. And we know at Okko that these patients are struggling with that. We know that these patients are really scared about losing sight between hospital visits. Now, I don't believe that patients should have to rely on an eye care professional like me to measure their sight. I believe that patients should be able to measure their vision, just like diabetics check their blood sugar. I believe they should be able to do it, anytime that suits them, anywhere that suits them. And so that's why I founded Okko Health. At Okko Health, we use smart devices that are in everybody's pockets in order that we can put our games technology on there, get people to play our apps, and we get people to play once a week, 5 minutes each eye, and we can gather big data for the first time about people's eyesight. And what we're doing is looking for patterns within that data that tell us about how people are seeing over time. So what that means to the eye care system is that patients don't have to come back to hospital every time, but that these patients can monitor from home and only come in when they actually need to. And that's really exciting because not only is it great for the patient, but it's also great for the health systems because it means we can concentrate our attention on the patients who need that the most. I've totally forgotten to show you these slides. So this is what it looks like. I want you to come over to my fantastic team in this corner. This is them up here. We're really excited to be in Berlin. We've got 5 of us here this evening. Please come and talk to us. We're going to get you to have a go, see what you think. And really, we're here at G4A in order to meet people who are as passionate as I am about opening up access to eye care, putting eye care in the hands of the patients so that we can really enhance people's lives and change the way that we interact with ophthalmology services. Thank you.